You're watching It's Jules, and I'm no other than Jules, and today I'm coming at you with episode number 3 of Did I Really Waste My Money? And today's product that I am reviewing, giving you my genuine, authentic opinion, is the BeautyBlender foundation. So if you want to get informed about this foundation, hear my opinions, and you want to get more details on this to see if this is really worth the money or not, keep on watching. So let's get into the video. Today we're gonna see if I really wasted my money on the BeautyBlender foundation. It is a liquid whip long wearing foundation. It just came out. I got mine in the color blend 0.20. So that's what the packaging looks like. So when you take it out, it looks like this. It has a nice flat space for your beauty blender to dip in, which is a nice feature because I feel like you can easily wipe this down and clean it and you're gonna be all good. Next, towards the back, it has a lock and unlock button, which is nice. It has a pump, so it's gonna be pumped onto here. And I don't know if this is glass or, you know, that fake glass. So this is what it looks like. And then at the bottom, it has your number of foundation. And let's see. So this foundation retails for $40. I'm looking on my phone at the Sephora website. And I believe you could buy this on Sephora and BeautyBlender.com. Those are the only... I don't know if it's gonna be selling at Ulta. So what it is, it's a weightless liquid foundation with multi-dimension velvet matte finish that wears for 24 hours. It's a full coverage. It has a matte finish. It's a liquid, and the skin type, it says normal, dry, combination, and oily. So combination. So we'll see. It says it has hyaluronic acid to support natural moisturizing and prep your skin for a smooth canvas, which has white birch extract, which smooths and brightens your skin. So it says it's developed with an exclusive high-speed whipper process, and with this is silky smooth formula is whisked with a light as air texture for an unparalleled blendable. This is a full coverage velveteen matte foundation addressing not only just the skin tone but also the skin texture to make it more smooth looking and even. And it has 30 shades, I believe. But the one issue I have with this foundation that most of us, that I don't struggle because I am medium skin tone, look a little light, but there is not enough dark shades. I believe the BeautyBlender, the girl who owns the company, she is a Latina, and she made so many medium shades, which is amazing for medium skin people, but come on, we need some dark shades. Like, the dark shade range is not that much, and it's really underrated because this could be such a beautiful foundation, which most foundations can be such a beautiful foundation, but without everybody's skin color, it's really not worth the hype or the price or anything. Like, come on, if you don't have every skin color, wait on the process, wait to drop the product. You know, someone might come out before you, but at the same time, you might have more shades and that fit everybody than they don't. So let's try this out. So I'm gonna do one side with a BeautyBlender. This is a new BeautyBlender, the original BeautyBlender that retails for $20. So I'm going to do this on one side, and then on the other side I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. blending brush to to see if there's a difference. So I'm gonna prime my skin with the Smashbox Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer. So I'm gonna unlock the foundation and see. So I got some right there. And so the shade I got has, so 3.2 is a medium, plus it has warm yellow undertones. So I tried it out on my jawline towards my neck to see if it was my skin color, and I felt like it best matched me. So I always don't go in with a beauty blender then on my skin. I'm just gonna dot. So going in with my beauty blender. So it feels very lightweight. So far it looks beautiful on the skin. I feel like this color matches my skin pretty well. Nice on my skin. So I'm gonna zoom in so I could show you a little comparison between. So this has no foundation. This is what my skin naturally looks like. I had redness right here and a little some acne scarring. So, and this is with the Beauty Blender. It looks pretty nice. It doesn't feel like I have anything on my face, which is pretty nice. I love the coverage of it. I think I would definitely go in. I usually can't go in with a second coat or a third coat with most foundations because I do have combination skin and I do have dry skin. A dry patch right here, and right here is like all oily in my face, so I do feel like it is not clinging to any of my dry patches. So let's do it with a brush to see if there is any difference. This is with like 2 pumps. It's probably like too much product, but we'll see. So it doesn't look bad on the brush side. I think I'm definitely gonna go in with a second. Go and see if it makes any difference. Even with the second coat, I don't feel the foundation heavy. I do think this is a pretty good match to my skin color. So I do feel like this is a very, like, it's matte, but it is like a velvety matte because it doesn't look looking at it through a mirror, like I see a little bit of clinging onto dry patches right here, and then some I have on my cheeks, but nothing major, where some I don't even. My main concern of when I wear foundation is that it clicks onto my dry patches so much. It looks so bad, so I'd rather not wear a foundation. And I feel like this one doesn't cling onto them so bad that it makes it look bad in person. I feel like it looks pretty good. It is very full coverage, but I do see like a little bit of this red peeking in of it. I could probably, you know, go with the concealer and cover it. But so far, I'm loving it. It feels very lightweight. It's not sticky. Because some foundations are like, they're sticky. This one's not sticky. It looks pretty good. It matches my skin like really good. So far it looks pretty bomb. I'm gonna go in and powder my face with my Laura Mercier translucent powder to Did you just nice. This is I just got all this powder on my Maluma. No. Yeah, all that powder on my Maluma fame tour shirt. Like, why? So as I got all this translucent powder on my Maluma shirt, my Maluma fame tour shirt, I got all this damn powder all over me. So far it looks really good. It's exceeding my expectation. So I'm gonna go in with a damp BeautyBlender and just put all that powder in my face. So even with the powder, it looks pretty good. Like, I usually don't wear powder with my foundation because my dry patches look really bad. And with this foundation, it doesn't even look that bad. So I am back with my final verdict on BeautyBlender foundation. I absolutely love this foundation. I think it's worth the 40 bucks for it. I think you should get it. The only downside I see is right here by the nozzle. It won't focus. Some foundation gets stuck right there. That's the only thing. I feel like you would have to go in with a Q-tip to get it out. But other than that, I really love the whole concept. I love this part that your BeautyBlender fits in like perfectly. Even if you're doing like this, it fits perfectly. I love the way it looks on my skin. Even with powder, it looks flawless. I love it. I think it is definitely worth the purchase. And my final verdict is no. I didn't really waste my money, and I really love the way it looks on my skin. And this is how it looks on my skin with just my whole routine. It looks really bomb. It matches my skin pretty well. I'm super happy with it, but we still need some more shades. We need darker shades. That's the thing I'm gonna keep saying. We need darker shades. We need darker shades because I love it, and I want someone else with a different skin tone that they don't have one right now to love it just as much as I love it right now. So hopefully in the future, or hopefully soon, they'll be coming out with some darker shades, which would be amazing because I love it. I know a whole bunch of people online are loving it, so we'll see. So I hope you enjoyed this video on did I really waste my money on the Beauty Blender foundation. If you want to see more videos in this series, or you have ideas of products you want to see me be really genuine, authentic opinion on it, comment them down below. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below any video ideas. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of me. And if you want to stay connected with me, hit that little notification bell while you're subscribing so you can be notified when there's new videos. I'm going to be posting new videos like every week. I want to post twice a week, but I'm going to say once a week. I'm going to put a video out, so don't forget to stay connected with me on social media. I have Instagram, I have Twitter. Yeah, Instagram and Twitter. I will link them down below. I will put the @ right here. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.